In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block off time in Google Calendar. Managing your schedule effectively is crucial, and Google Calendar provides a simple yet powerful tool to help you organize your time. So let's dive right in and guide you through this step by step. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. You can do this by simply searching for Google Calendar in your preferred search engine, then clicking on the first result. Once you're there, sign in with your Google account by entering your email address. After typing in your email, click Next to proceed. Now that you're logged in, you'll notice a dashboard displaying the current month and any events you may have already scheduled. To create a new time block, look for the Create button. It's usually prominently displayed, and once you locate it, simply give it a click. Following this, you'll be presented with a few options, including Event, Task, and Reminder. For blocking off time, choose the Event option. Clicking on Event will open a new window where you can start filling in the details of the time block you're creating. First, enter a name for the event. It could be anything such as focus time, meeting, or study hour. Naming the event helps you easily identify it on your calendar at a glance. Next, set the date for when you want this block of time to occur. Simply click on the calendar icon and choose the appropriate date from the mini calendar that pops up. Setting the right time is crucial. If you need the block to span a specific period, click on the time range. This will allow you to specify when the block should start and end. Take a moment to ensure that the hours you select don't overlap with any other commitments you might have. Once you have all the details filled in, it's time to save your event. You'll notice a Save button somewhere on the screen. Click on it, and this action will officially log your time block into your calendar. You should now see it appear in the chosen date and time slot, making it easy to ensure nothing else gets scheduled during that time. And there you have it. Blocking off time in Google Calendar is a simple process, yet it's an essential skill for managing your day-to-day activities efficiently. With a few simple clicks, you can ensure your priorities get the attention they deserve, while also balancing your personal and professional commitments effectively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.